Sunday, November 22nd. A very overcast, rainy day again here. The rainy season has gone on much longer this year than the previous year. I appreciate it, but I do hope we're at the end of it. I think the ground has had all the water it can absorb right now. The saturation point is overflowing. We are in the home stretch for the house. I'm going to give you a run through of what's happening here. For the most part, most of the bedrooms are complete. Krista's office, tile painted. My office, tile painted. Bathroom is complete. Light fixtures installed. The kitchen will be the big task this week. We have appliances coming this week, and we have the granite coming very soon to be able to tile over. They've already started, some of the cabinets have been installed. Individual placements for silverware and utensils. Some of the light fixtures have been installed. Bedroom is coming along as well. Doors are all up. Light fixtures are somewhat up in here. Go to the bathroom. I'll show you. Bathroom is pretty well complete now. Rock tile shower. This heads out where we're going to do a little bit of an amendment here. The rock wall we had here for the outdoor shower and bath, we're going to make this much taller, just so a little more privacy. Heading out, the pool and the waterfall. Look at here. This is what has been coming along nicely now. This will be an ongoing waterfall right into the pool. We're actually using some of the rainwater to collect some of the water now. Slowly filling in. There's Bucky. He's stuck, doesn't know how to get out here. Bucky, come on. As you can see, we don't really have handles on the outside. All of this has been paved in now, and the deck is now complete. Overlooking the entire valley. Unfortunately, today's a very overcast day, so you cannot see the mountain range. You can see the town a little bit. Still. Bucky. Bucky's crying. I can't let him out. I'll get him out in a minute here too. Come all around here too. Oh, enjoys are living in Costa Rica. Some of the wildlife and some of the creatures we have. Bucky, I'll get you in a minute. And you go right here and get him. And there you have it too. It's coming along very nicely. The pet area screened in.